just went ahead already.
Okay. So first thing is to check it's the right way around. So the curve of this is the same as the curve of the bag. Then we place the liner inside the basket and pull these out the overflow slot on each side. Like that. Then we buckle up each corner underneath the corner peg, and the buckle goes through, fastens back onto itself and pulls tight under there, not over tightening until we've done all four corners. Through the middle, through the outside, pull it tight underneath the corner post. Now we put more the tension up. Making sure that the straps on the inside of the liner bag. Pull it tight. Note the label is on the inside as well. You should be able to see it clearly from the inside of the basket. That's it.